Hi, it's Luna from Moonlight aisle, and I bought a microphone. So today we're gonna go through the unboxing, and I'll talk about why I choose Shure MV6 as my first microphone and some little technical issues that I had for now. Just for the record, this is not the first time that I opened the box. I bought it in a local shop, and once I finished the payment, the owner of the shop did help me make a little quick testing. If you are considering getting your first microphone, I recommend you to go to a physical shop where you can do some voice testing before making any purchase. Because actually, Shure MV6 was not on my shopping list. I made some research and set my budget around £70. I was planning to get Maono PD200x, so I made a phone call with a local shop to make sure they have it in stock. And when I visited the next day, I saw Shure MV6 right on the testing table. So I asked if I can try them both, and the shop owner was very friendly and patient. He said, sure. I briefly remember that I saw this microphone on YouTube, but it's over budget. And after I tested the voice, I was so impressed. Usually I hate how I sound when my voice is being recorded from another device because I think it emphasizes my nasal voice. But somehow with Shure MV6, I just feel like it makes me sound less nasal. I was really torn in the shop because the Maono microphone looks really cute in color white and it's perfectly in my budget. But then I thought if I could pay more money to make myself feel less awkward, then that would be worth the price. One thing you might need to be aware of is that the cable line that comes with the Shure microphone package ends with USB-C on both sides. Usually I do video editing with my 8 years old MacBook Pro laptop, and it only has USB-A plug. So I bought an extra adapter in the same shop. If you have the same situation like me, remember to pick an adapter that can pass through data. And I just realized today, because my laptop is using an older macOS version, so the free recording software that you can download from Shure website, it's not supported. So now I just need to change the plan and record with my iPhone 15, and it works perfectly fine. So that's it. If you're an artsy person, welcome to like this video or subscribe my channel. I'm just starting out on YouTube, and I'll see you next time.